Good evening, everyone. Today, I am honored to be the guest speaker to announce Johnny Ray into the Quincy Notre Dame Baseball Hall of Fame. My name is Tommy Ray, and I'm the younger brother of Johnny, and I am very fortunate enough to have the opportunity to present this award to a special human being and a tremendous athlete as well. Today, Johnny is being recognized for his outstanding work and contributions to the Quincy Notre Dame baseball program. In high school, Johnny was also a member of the Quincy Notre Dame varsity basketball program from 2014 to 2017. His senior year, they had a special group of players, but unfortunately, they just came up short of the state finals. Johnny was an excellent basketball player, but after watching him play baseball, you could definitely tell that baseball was his future and his calling. Johnny was also a member of the Quincy Notre Dame varsity baseball team from 2014 through 2017. Johnny had a great career and was named to the Quincy Herald Whig All-Decade team, which produced talent from 2010 through 2020. After high school, Johnny was fortunate enough to continue his baseball career in college. He went on to play at Illinois State University his freshman year, where he struggled with injuries but ended up taking a red shirt his freshman year of college. Moving forward to his sophomore year, Johnny attended John A. Logan Jr. College, which is located in Southern Illinois. Johnny only spent 1 year at John A. Logan College before transferring to Texas Christian University, otherwise known as TCU. His first year at TCU was in 2020, which we all know as the COVID year. This year, the MLB draft was cut short to only 5 rounds. Johnny was fortunate enough to get selected by the Kansas City Royals in the 5th round that year. However, Johnny decided to return to TCU for 1 more season because he thought the group of the teammates he had just had something special brewing there, and he just thought that if he came back 1 year that they could make a run at maybe going to the College World Series, which is every college baseball athlete's dream. In his senior year, Johnny and the TCU Horned Frogs earned an opportunity to play in the NCAA Regional hosted in TCU in Fort Worth, Texas. Unfortunately, this is where they saw their season come to an end. After the season, Johnny was then eligible again for the 2021 MLB Draft, and he was again very fortunate enough to have been selected in the 12th round by the Chicago White Sox. Johnny is still currently playing professional baseball in the Chicago White Sox organization and has dreams and aspirations of making it to the MLB one day. I've seen the countless hours that Johnny has put in to be in the position to where he is today. As a member of the school board here at Quincy Notre Dame, I'm happy and privileged to announce Johnny Ray into the Quincy Notre Dame Baseball Hall of Fame. Congratulations, Johnny.